Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the next part of the gallstone from pathogenesis. So today we'll be discussing about the pathogenesis of pigment stone, right? So first, you know that there are two types of pigment stone. That is, one is black pigment stone, another one that is the brown pigment stone. Now in case of black pigment stone, you should know that this is caused by the unconjugated bilirubin. Okay, normally within the bile there is a very little amount of unconjugated bilirubin, that is less than 1% of the total bile pigment, and increased production of unconjugated bilirubin may precipitate as calcium bilirubinate, which may cause the formation of the black pigment stone. Now the causes of increased unconjugated bilirubin in the bile, they includes like chronic hemolysis, okay, as in case of beta thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, or sometimes hereditary spherocytosis, pancreatitis, and ileal dysfunction. These are all causing the increased unconjugated bilirubin production. Now the next one, that is the brown pigment stone. Okay, so you should know here one thing, that is the brown pigment stone is normally formed within the biliary tract, that is not formed within the gallbladder. And okay, so here the reasons behind formation of it, that is the stasis and infection, bile stasis and infection. So when there is stasis, it favors the bacterial infection. Okay, so bacterial infection like enteric bacteria, like predominantly uh, E. coli with ascending cholangitis favors the brown stone formation. Sometimes there are parasitic infestation also, okay, like Ascaris lumbricoides or Clonorchis sinensis. These and other helminths which may invade the biliary tract. So this dead bacteria and parasite, they act as the nuclei to accelerate and precipitate the brownstone formation. Now what are the action of bacterial enzymes on the bile? Okay, what are the action of bacterial enzyme on the bile constituent? You know, the bacteria has a particular enzyme that is known as glucuronidase. Okay, this glucuronidase, what it does, it unconjugates. Okay, it makes the conjugated bilirubin unconjugate. It, when it acts on the phospholipid, when it acts on the phospholipid, uh, they made the phospholipid into free fatty acids. Okay, sometimes they also act on the bile salts, okay, and make them into free bile acids. So 1 minute, look here in this image, the bilirubin, glucuronide, phospholipid, and conjugated bile salts all are acted by the bacterial glucuronidase, and ultimately there is formation of unconjugated bilirubin, which is not soluble free fatty acids from the phospholipid and free bile salts. I mean, this is, yeah. So these all components for with the these all components and calcium combine, and they form the water insoluble calcium bilirubinate, and that cause the brown stone formation. Okay, so as you can clearly appreciate that the dead bacteria, parasite, mucin, they accelerate this brown stone precipitation. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video.